Do you launch your jet ski from its trailer and then haul it back out each time you use it? Or do you tie it to the dock where it's going to get dock rash? Your dock needs a Shoreport to get you out on the water faster and easier. Summer's short, use your jet ski. Don't avoid it because of the time and effort it's going to take to launch and put it away. Get out on the water, and when you're done, park your jet ski fast and easy on your Shoreport. Anstruther Marina is located in Apsley, halfway between Peterborough and Bancroft. Find us online at anstrutherlakemarina.com.